Well, this goes out to all you crazy video editors out there and content creators. And, what's a content creator? I don't know. For anybody who dives into the inner workings of the internet in a multimedia video editing fashion, this is for you. Oh my god, it's cool. Phones are awesome. I get it. You can do a lot of cool shit. Like, we got a filter in. We wanted to talk about voice filters. We found a filter in here. But then I get it. I could pause it. I could change my filters. I could probably add some cool transition effects. We could fade in. We could do a bunch of cool shit. Or we could do it right here in Adobe, dude. I was like, man, I'm always adjusting my gain and stuff to rise up the audio. And I'm just like, dude, ChatGPT, how can I raise my audio? And it's like, oh, bro, easy. Grab the thing, drag it up, cool as be. Or number two, you could go into essential sounds. And I'm just like, yeah, essential sounds, great thing. If you're wondering what essential sounds is, dude, we got to dive deeper. We could do way better. We could get deeper into the inner workings of Adobe and figure out cool shit, because what I'm finding here is I could do weird shit with my voice. And if I wanted to sing a song, I could drop this down. I could go in from dialogue to music. And then for music, I could be like, hey, dude, yeah, I know this clip is 6 minutes long. I'm just grooving on out. Oh, you could actually adjust that down to like reverb it to 30 seconds, a minute, 90 seconds, whatever it may be. And it's going to edit your video for you like AI, I'd hope, I'd imagine. But super duper cool. I mean, I could... ChatGPT is amazing. I could take my lyrics as well. I could paste them into ChatGPT, or I could sing it in the ChatGPT and be like, hey, dude, this is my song. Condense it down for me. And then all of a sudden, now that would just be a lot. But I could truly, probably at that given point, then I could take it, sing it, reverb it. It doesn't fucking matter. I could just do the whole song and edit it right down in here in Adobe. Super cool. Does it all for me. Think about the time that you could save if you just learned something. Oh my gosh, I've been playing with Adobe for so long. What about you guys out there? You ever play with Adobe? It's the devil. It's the devil because it could do so much, and it's just like, dude, can't you just love? Like, can't you just do it all? Like, I'm just over here, dude. Connect my Neuralink up into this guy right here, and he's in the computer. He is me. At this given point, he is me. I am him. Together we are one. Reverb. No. But dude, you just be like, hey man, let's do this. You know what I'm thinking? You've watched enough of my content to understand how I edit, how I do things. Like, let's get on and do it for me. It shouldn't be that hard. Call of Duty could build your profile. Why can't you? Why can't you, Adobe? Build me a profile and do what I want you to do. Just know. Wouldn't that be sick? Future we're going to. I know that sounds crazy, but the future we're in right now has been primed for me. Like, I have been existing for this moment, which is super cool because tomorrow's the same moment. I'm going to exist for then too, but today I'm going to exist for today, this moment. And man, I've been built for this. It's so cool. Might be a little crazy, but at the same time, built for it. What about you? What are you built for?